What's going on, guys? I'm the Adler here at Anarchy. Monday, shoulder day for me. I'm busting out side laterals. I love doing my side laterals seated. Kills all momentum. I'm gonna give you about 5 sets of 12 to 15 reps. And then I go on to the next movement. And it goes something like this. You want to kill all momentum and just really incorporate the side of the shoulder. You don't want to rest down here. If you want to take a pause up here. Man, great way to warm the shoulders up. Getting ready for these dumbbell presses. I am the Admiral here at Anarchy. Peace.